Okay, so I've actually been playing around with the ChatGPT's new image generation models, and here are some of the examples. This is a thumbnail that I generated using ChatGPT's image generation model 2.0. So if you see the thumbnail, it just looks perfect, right? It doesn't need any kind of editing, and I have made a video which has the exact same thumbnail. So this was a video on WordPress, and if you see on the background, there is like a dashboard of WordPress as well, and we have a WordPress logo. Of course, I gave it some references. So this was a reference image. This is the Claude logo. If I hover over these, you will have an idea. So right now, I'm actually inside the backend of OpenAI, which is platform.openai.com, from where you can also like get the API keys. So in this video, we'll also be creating a system from where you can generate high quality carousel posts using GPT image 2.0. So this was another example that I made using a very detailed JSON prompt. So if you see the typography, it actually used the font that I told it to use. It actually used the color scheme that I told it to use. Okay, and it even didn't make any change on my facial expression. Everything is high quality. So I was actually using Google Gemini to generate my posts earlier, but I think from now on I'll be moving to Google Gemini. So if you see, we have like my color scheme following in this image, and this is my face, it's following my facial expressions. Then we have this image, which is an infographic type of image. Of course, my face, which is exactly the same. Then we have steps, map, step 1, step 2, step 3, and if you see the fonts, everything is in place. And in this image generation model, we also don't see any kind of like disruption in the text. So every text that you're watching right now, it's like sharp, it is not disrupted. Okay, so this was another thumbnail which looks really nice and very high detailed. Then we have another post that I made for a brand which also looks super clean. So now I'll show you how you can create a system which can generate high quality carousels using ChatGPT's API. So if you haven't ever used the ChatGPT's API key, just go to platform.openai.com, just like this one, and then go to API keys. Of course, you'll have to add some credits. If you don't have any credits, just go to your home and then add credit from here. So I also have, so my credits are also low. I will be adding like $5 worth of credit. Okay, so just go to API keys and create a new API key which we will be using in this project. So copy this API key, you'll not be seeing this again. Okay, so this is a project.md file which I have created. It is basically a detailed project guideline. It has all of the things, the structure of the project, all of the, we have layer 1, which is like the slide planner. It will automatically detect how many slides you want. Then we have layer 2, which will like write the prompt in JSON. So basically, these AI models understand JSON better than like the normal text that human beings write. So that's why we'll be converting it to a JSON prompt. That's why we will be getting a very high and detailed output. Then we actually have the layer 3, which is image render, and our JSON prompt will be used to create all of these image carousels in Instagram size. So I'll give you this project file in the description for completely free. Just download it and put it inside your empty project. Let's rename it to GPT automation, and let's open this and let's select this folder. Okay, so just drag and drop the file which you have in the description. Just download it and drag and drop inside this project. Let's drop it inside our project, and this is a markdown file. So go to your Claude code. So now let's go to our Claude code. Let's close this file. Let's open this. So we have this file shown right here. So like Claude can read this file. Okay, so we'll also mention this file at the rate project.md, and let's give it a detailed prompt. I want you to set up this markdown file. It has basically all of the structure of this project. So go ahead and create this complete project. So just hit enter, and then now you don't have to do anything. It will work out everything for you. I'll see you once it's okay. So right now Claude has done all of the setup. It has created all of the files. As you can see that we have all these files, and it has also given us this local host. If you click on this local host, this should show you your web application. Okay, so this is your web application, and if you see the design of this web app, it looks like a premium web app. So the fonts are good. The color scheme that it used, it's like, it's a really nice color scheme. So if you see, we have text written, turn one idea into publish ready carousel. And here we have the niche name that we can put. We can also give it an idea. Then we can like say, what should be the style of this post that we're doing: editorial, bold, soft, 90s, moody, cinematic. And slide count, it can automatically select, or if you want to like give it an idea that okay, these are how many slides I want, you can also go with that option as well. So we have text slide copy with locked visual system, 5 to 10 slides, structured JSON prompt per slide, direct image generation, no copy paste, download all slides as PNG. Okay, so here we have another option which says load sample idea. If I click on it, it will put a sample idea which is personal finance. Then we have an idea, 5 money habits that quietly made me rich in my 30s. Okay, so before hitting this submit button, we actually have to put our API keys inside the project. So let's go back to our project and now search for env.local and paste our API key right here. So let's remove this and paste our API key and just click on Control S so that it is safe. Okay, so now I think we have everything in place. Let's reload this page and let's just go with the sample idea and click on plan my carousel. So it usually takes few seconds, and as you can see, we have super clean and detailed output. So this will be our slide one, 5 money habits that quietly made me rich. Okay, this is slide one. It didn't happen overnight. Okay, so as you can see that everything is connected with each other. Habit one, automatic saving. Yeah, I think we have 7 slides. Yeah, so let's go with this image carousel. And as you can see, the typography is set to this. You can of course like change this to your color scheme, your typography, the style that you want. You can make all of those changes. So let's go with this design and generate carousel. So now it's working on our carousels. First, it will write a JSON prompt. Then it will give that JSON prompt to the image generation model. So our first image is being rendered. So the application that you're looking at right now was built by Cloud Code, and the images that you'll be seeing will be generated by OpenAI's API. Okay, so as you can see, it has generated me in this first image, which is 5 money habits that quietly made me rich. Learn the secrets, like the text written on this image, it's super clean. And we have this background image, which is discipline, saves freedom. We have this clear image of this man. You can also like use your face if you want to. Okay, so then as you can see that we have this image, which is also super clean. Then the third image, which also looks fine to me. Okay, so once everything is done, just click on download button and it will download these high quality images for you. So this is actually how you can create high quality image carousels using ChatGPT's image generation model. And everything that we discussed in this video will be free. I will put everything in the description so you don't have to make anything from scratch. So now as you can see that we have the second output, and it's following the color scheme that we have already given to it, and the fonts as well. So if you see this bold fonts, it has the same color scheme as the first one. So basically it's like connected to the first one, the second one is connected to the third one, and this is how you can generate very high quality image carousels using ChatGPT's image generation model. And I personally will be moving to ChatGPT's image generation model over the Google's Nano Banana. So once you have generated all of these images, just click on this download all images and your images will be downloaded. So this is a very detailed and high quality image, and like everything is also following your color scheme, your typography as well. So in this video I've shown you how you can generate high quality image carousels using ChatGPT's 2.0 image generation model. And this will actually be a game changer. I personally now am using ChatGPT's image generation model to create thumbnails, to create my social media posts. And other than that, if I want to do like some design system or color scheme comparison, I am also using ChatGPT for that purpose as well. So this was it for this video. Whatever we've learned in this video will be completely free in the description. You'll find this system for free in the description. You will find the project.md file for free in the description. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you want to become an AI engineer in the next 30 days, that will be the first link in the description. See you in the next one.